Hello friends and welcome back to the Revision channel. So friends, today we talk about EMTEK Miracle RTA 5060 Ti series graphics card. So friend, EMTEK has announced the RTA 5060 Ti model, and those unfamiliar with the brand of South Korean market, and the company used to offer a wide range of custom variants, but did appear to focusing its lineup on Miracle cards for now. So friend, the RTX 5060 Ti Miracle feature a triple fan design and two-slot thick cooler, and it uses a fully customized design not seen from other brand today, and the PCB is very short, not even half the length of graphics card, and there is a large two-part heatsink under the fan with on-fin array almost complemented exposed, and top the holes in the backplate could have been larger to improve airflow, and the RTA 5060 Ti offers 3840 CUDA cores and comes with 8 GB and 16 GB GDDR7 memory, delivering 448 Gbps per second bandwidth, and EMTEK has not implemented any factory overclocking, and the Miracle model is equipped with single 8-pin power connector and use full-size PCIe 5.0 slot, and only 8 lanes are connected due to GB206 GPU limitation. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.